noise here when you're coming in. Most of these people, they are people who haven't given a chance to come before that committee. They have refused. They want to be paid. And that's the crowd that the senator was carrying around. I cannot pay, Mr. Chairman, any project, because most of those projects, I'm at my early 40s. I have a whole life ahead of me. I cannot go down simply because some people wanted me to pay them for non-work done. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, I want to indicate here, and Senator Anwale knows, who have been with him, even in Parliament, we stand for serving the people. Even anybody wanted to make money, this way the system works. You cannot kill all institutional structures, then want to spend that money. Otherwise, I've been jailed. And it's not this noise which was here, which can help. Even if I mobilize the whole case, because facts will be there. Chairman, like you put all these answers, all questions that I'm answering, they are questions related to the past administration, which I'm trying to sort out. But Chair, I can confirm to you, any work which was not carried out, I can't pay. And I won't pay. Because that's the pressure. You know, go correct the people here, correct their money. I'm presenting you before the Senate. No, if anybody is offended, if you think that the Senate is indeed not doing its work, there is also courts. Chair, for that, I want to indicate here that I'm up to the game. I'm doing what exactly I'm required to do as per the law. Chairman,
from people of Kisii County.
You know, Chair, Senator Anwale saying some people are approaching 9. They are not only 9. There were more than a number of them to come. Some of them did not have any claims, Mr. Chairman. Some of them. Actually, why they were even fighting is because they were circulating this response, which is said. That's why they were fighting out there, yeah? Distribution. Chair, what we are saying is that we have nothing against any contract. Either it's serving the past regime or in this administration. We are serving up it. And anybody who has the papers, and we are asking them, anybody who has a missing document has access to the committee, let it take it there. It will be handled. And we pay them. All these are people, they are my people, Mr. Chairman. That's what I can say.
Okay, thank you.
I'm the governor of Kisii. I'll be the last person going to see tranquility prevail. Therefore, for any drama, anybody who wants to cause drama, I've been a station of politician. Therefore, Chair, I can, say for now that I'm at the governor. In my past life, I can equally very read on to these kind of things. But we get them all. The only thing we'll say is that let us respect each other, respect institutions. The senators come here. The Senate, you are not meant to come and settle scores, political scores in our counties. I do not expect, even if people that are to come and fight here, me, I want to look at them, because my responsibility is to answer the questions that have been asked here. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, going forward, I want to assure you that under the Senate as it is, I'm available at 10 times to answer questions which are meant and which are, which are progressive. And anybody who wants, Mr. Chairman, it is anybody from the Kisii region who wants to the seat of the government, does not want to die in the governance. They must prepare well. These are not TV shows anymore. This is serious business. This is not regular talk shows. No. This is about lives of people. People who have not received their monies, contractors. Some of them, they are very sick. Some have died actually without receiving for what they want. Therefore, when one walks around, collects money from unsuspecting contractors.
Order. So nimepatia enough leeway. Asante sana. I want